Hello guys, poila sabke salam janai diase. Aji bhi ekta video apni khan ke loi ani diase. Etu to hole PM intensive offer laga registration date to kitia start koribo aro etu laga lab to ki ase aro kitia launch korise aro kiman chon youth logode kiman company offer korise aro kiman paisa babo monthly assistant aro etu sector laga coverage to ki koribole laga ase etu han sob to ami step by step koi dibo etu karne apni khan sai thakibi kogena etu apni khan ke koi dia ase kinega registration korola ase aro ki document lage etu kan amhan ekilogot sabo aibi poila ami etu kobo intensive allowance of rupees 5000 aro one time assistant rupees 6000 etu kan provide kora scheme companies to training dibole laga CSR etu corporate social responsibilities etu fund kan sob to government bra internship scheme ina digna ase etu dole notification dia laga apni khan ke etu bi dikhai dia ase aro next day PM internship scheme 2024 yade ami step by step koi dibo aro apni khan screen dibi dikhibo paribo aro sabo paribo launch to hele date October 3 2024 day launch korise internship opportunities to hole 1 crore youth across 500 top companies logode etu 1 crore youth to 500 top companies logode enega digna ase aro third day monthly stipend do rupees 5000 for selected interns kogena ase fourth day portal opening for candidate October 12 2024 October 12 2024 day etu registration portal do start koribo register koribole aro number 5 day sectors covered etu training khatam gorina takhan youth khan ki la pabo kole do manufacturing de kam koribo paribo aro services bi pabo aro tade etu training khatam hoa bichide sob to private sector de holibi government sector de holibi manufacturing de holibi sob to la pabo gona ase manufacturing service and more kogena ase etu bi apni khan ke koi dia ase detail bra yete amakhan dekhibo pare ase etu karne apni khan ke etu notification apni khan ke dekhai dia ase screen de phal bra sabo pare gona etu bi koi dia ase aro next day yete bi amakhan dekhibo pare ase 1 crore opportunity do aro next 5 years de aro opportunity dibo ena koi ase etu registration between October 12 to 25 etu major de etu registration to koribo kogena aro yete lal bra digna thaka etu official website bi apni khan ke dekhai dia ase screen de phal bra sabi apni khan yete screen de sai gena channel hobe kogena etu bi koi dia ase aro next time yete notification digna ase prime minister internship scheme aro yete official website te pabo apni khan ke yete screen di dekhai dia ase etu official portal homepage kholiso kole etu nisna apni khan ke interface dekhai dibo yete phal bra sai lobi PM internship offer koigena yate title bra likhina thakibo aro niche de do register now koina thakibo etu register now ke click korina apni khan apply koribo paribo aro main etu ase required documents ko ase to ki document lagibo kole number 1 de Aadhaar card lagibo number 2 de email ID lagibo etu official email ID lagibo number 3 de mobile number lagibo number 4 de address proof lagibo number 5 de pan card lagibo aro number 6 de ration card lagibo only bi etu do option lagibo etu common required documents ko ase kundu wala mangibo etu do form fill up kora time te janebo kogena etu documents bi apni khan ke etu koi dia ase aro apni khan ke achi etu video bana do hole registration do start hobole ase kidia 12 to 25 major de etu October 12 pra start koribo etu 25 te close ho jabo short time de etu registration to dibole ase kogena apni khan ke etu video bana ase aro October 12 to 25 major de registration kora bijide kidia select koribo etu khan to next video de ami loi ani dibo holibe achi to hole registration to kidia koribole ase etu laga opor de aro etu sector cover to ki korola ase etu la opor de hi etu video banai dia ase kiman jon bra saise bishi khushi paise aro for more update sa dagibi tanakate